viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So yes, today we are going to discuss about withdrawal, how we can transfer fund or withdrawal from Binance Smart Chain wallet to any other wallet. Like if you need to send your money from Binance Smart Chain wallet to Atomic wallet, Binance Exchange, XODS wallet, you can use same scenario, which is I'm going to tell you in this video. So please must watch this video till end. This video is going to very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So first of all, I'm going to log in my Binance Smart Chain wallet, and today we are going to discuss about withdrawal or fund transfer. How can you transfer fund from your main wallet to any other wallet? I'm going to enter my password here. I have entered my password here and click on unlock. Now you can see here my Binance Smart Chain wallet is unlocked front of me. And let's suppose you have a balance in your Binance Smart Chain. I have not this time, but no problem for me. And also I just give to information how to withdraw money or how to transfer fund. You can use same scenario at your laptop or at your mobile. Okay, so be careful when you are going to send any money from your Binance Smart Chain wallet. You select the network, otherwise your fund will be lost. Let's suppose you have a balance in your BNB wallet. I'm going to click on BNB wallets. Let's suppose I have some balance on this BNB, one BNB, and I want to transfer or withdraw fund from this wallet to any other wallet like Atomic wallet. So what will I do? I will do just simple click on the send button. You can see here there is shown send button. Now the three options will be open in front of you. First, assets. Second, address. Third is amount. I have not any amount on this, so it's maybe not shown any amount, any coin here. Let's suppose I'm going to enter BNB. So you can see here no assets available, only asset with the positive balance. If you have any balance in your wallet, then the crypto wallet will be shown in this portion. Let's we assume I have one BNB on my this wallet. So asset and show BNB. Now the next portion is address. So you will need to paste your address where you want to receive the money. So how can you find the address where you need to deposit money? So I'm going to open the Atomic wallet. Atomic wallet is open in front of me. I'm going to enter the password here. You can use same scenario with XODS wallet, Binance, or any other wallet. Okay, so simple click on open wallet. Now Atomic wallet is open in front of me, and let's suppose I want to transfer fund or withdraw fund from my Binance Chain wallet to Atomic wallet. So what will I need? I need the wallet address. So I need to deposit BNB or transfer BNB from my Binance Smart Chain wallet to Atomic wallet. Simple click on this wallet address. After that, there is two options: receive button and send button. So I need to withdraw from Binance Smart Chain wallet and receive money in Atomic wallet, so that I am going to click on receive button. Then click on active. My wallet is activated, and now you can see here this is the wallet address where I want to receive the money. Okay, I just simple copy, and you can also scan this QR code if you have already using QR code scanner. This is a minor application. You just simple download from Google Play or iOS store and scan this QR code easily and get same wallet address, which is I have copied. Okay, so after copy this wallet address, go to the again your Binance Smart Chain wallet and then paste here. Then CA cross and transfer BNB on chain. So this is my wallet address where I want to receive money, and after that amount, how much you want to send the money. Let's suppose I want to send the money 0.10 BNB. First you select the currency which is are going to transfer withdrawal. Let's suppose you have select BNB, TRX, ADA or any big name currency. So I assume I have select BNB because I have not balance, so that there is not shown any currency. So I assume I have select BNB. Then enter the wallet address which is I have copy from Atomic wallet and simple paste here, and then I have enter amount, how much I want to send the money from this wallet to other wallets. So after check all information, then you just simple click on send button. When you click on send button, so your fund will be deducted from Binance Smart Chain wallet and receive in your Atomic wallet on this portion. Your fund will be shown on this portion, or you can use any other wallet like Binance, like XODS or any other wallets. So this is so simple and easy way you can easily use same scenario which is I told you on this video. How can you fund transfer, how to withdraw amount from your Binance Chain wallet to your Atomic wallet, your Binance wallet or your XODS wallet or any other wallet. Just before going to send any money, you must check you have select correct network or not, because I use BNB, so that I have select correct network. Otherwise if you paste your wrong wallet address here, so you will caution your error shown on this portion, means your wallet address is not correct. So be careful when you are going to send any amount from this wallet. Okay viewers, so I hope you properly understand how can you fund transfer, how can you withdraw about from your Binance Smart Chain wallet to any other wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So face any problem like deposit, withdrawal, find private key, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comments below this video. So kindly go to my YouTube channel, click on video option, and then you can watch my all cryptocurrency videos like about Chainlink, MetaMask, Binance, many wallet I already reviewed on this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is a big hub where you can find the proper cryptocurrency wallets information. Okay, so as I hope properly understand, so like, subscribe, share my YouTube channel with your family and friends. So we will meet with you in new video. Bye bye.